Hello and welcome to another update video about TIA Celestia. Still, pushing higher in this trend channel, but obviously shows some short-term weakness right now. We are going to take a look at that and talk about what that could be, what that could mean. First of all, just a reminder of the overall structure. It remains consistent with, you could say, previous observations. So far, no change here, no need to change anything on this chart, especially that trend channel should be observed going forward. Bear in mind, it is still a very young chart, so the predictive qualities are very limited. So we are using mainly Elliott wave for risk management and to understand the key levels and when they break, you know, where we could be heading. But for now, the predictive qualities are fairly limited. Looks like it's rolling over a little bit. But let's talk about the structure. So first of all, what we can highlight here on this chart is that this here was likely a wave one. Okay, it could be an A wave. So anything, it can always top in three waves, A, B, C, that's it. But let's just focus on the white count for now. Wave one, wave two. The third wave, circle wave three, would be somewhere up there. Why? Okay, that has to do with Fibonacci levels, because if I am looking at circle, one second, just need to delete that red line there. If I look at a wave one and a wave two, the Fibonacci levels give me targets. Minimum target 4. Circle wave 3 minimally is 2260. So, I mean, that doesn't mean the price has to get there, but this is a reasonable expectation in a third wave, even in the diagonal. So the 1.38 extension is even better as target. That's a more reliable third wave, and that would be $27 basically. So that's sort of the base case, baseline. And the problem is, if it's an ABC structure, it can easily finish at the 100% extension level. That was at $16.96. So we've already broken that. So that's why I would expect it to go eventually a little higher. To reach that 1.236 at least. But obviously it shows some short-term weakness, but it's not severe yet. If it is, so it's certainly not an impulse. That's, I think, quite clear. It's not an impulse. And what I cannot do is to say that this here is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, 4, 5. Because this is too short, this length. It's not a reliable diagonal. So therefore, this could, however, be the A wave of the third wave. This could be the B wave of the third wave. Yeah, and the C wave, as shown here, could still be unfolding. But also here, you know, the C wave in a diagonal could be a diagonal itself, unfortunately. A C wave in the third wave. So wave 1, wave 2, and then we talk about, okay, what could be a target for this third wave there? So again, take the length of that, go to the low of the wave 2. Yeah, wave 3, ideally, again, minimally $25.22, the sub wave 3. So that means this cannot be the third wave top yet. So best I can do really is to say that possibly this is the A wave, this is a B wave, and we're gonna see a C wave a little later. That's sort of my idea that I have. That means if this idea doesn't work out, we're dealing with a much deeper pullback, and we can also calculate now an ideal support area for this B wave pullback. I'd expect it to be at least a B wave pullback right now, the way this is going, and the support for that it's going to overlap with the larger wave 4 pullback, but the B wave can, let me see. Yeah, take the length. Yeah, so between 1688 and 1388, if there is a reaction, then this could be a B wave, and the C wave in a third can still continue. This should not yet be circle wave 4. Okay, this should take that out because it actually can't be it yet. If we break below this initial support level now, I might have to assume that it topped in an ABC structure. So this is for now what I'm focusing on. Below 1388, the price will likely also break out of this trend channel. Yeah, and then, I mean, what is it then? Then it would have to be an ABC structure, can always top there. And we would likely deal with a pullback, possibly even into the region between 840 and 343. But that would be my alternative right now. That's my update about Celestia. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.